Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to update my weekly positional sheet as well as an intraday. And let me see some updates on a monthly positional. And this video, I'm going to discuss about our Google Sheet option scanner. So first of all, the sheet will filter out based on our advanced option strategy and along with Camarilla R4 breakout. So intraday sheet which works based on the Camarilla R4. So yesterday, that is Friday 26th, we have some stocks triggers our breakout Camarilla R4 breakout like Exide, Bajaj Auto and Granules, IRCTC are those which triggers our entry point. So let me check some of the stocks CTC 1030 call option which triggers. So let me check, and here where you can look at after 9:30. So maybe this is a trigger which is happening on 51. Our stop loss near about 46 that got triggered. So here it is a stop loss rate, but as a second time breakout which given around the same price of 51, that time it moves well. But as per our concept, this is what a trade where it is triggered around 9:45. It was triggers our stop loss. Okay, and Bajaj Auto 8700, Bajaj Auto. So let me check. It is based on the purely Camarilla R4 breakout. So 8700 call option. What is happening on Bajaj Auto? There is a trigger which is happening on 9:30. So it is about after 9:30 we got it, and immediately it is giving you some breakout around 368, and it went up to 439. So maybe our stop loss, if it is very big, so we can keep our stop loss around the R3 levels. R3 around 340 and our pivot is around 300, maybe 60 points, and from that it went up to 438. So exactly 60 point which triggered closing at 450. So intraday sheet is perfectly working based on the Camarilla R4, and after 9:30 the sheet will be auto refreshed and you will be finding out new opportunity. Those are the stocks which is triggers in the first 15 minutes candle that get be removed from the list, and you will be getting a new fresh list, and from there you will be finding out newer opportunities. If you are looking for an intraday Camarilla R4, so you can use it after 9:30. That will give you the better breakouts for your intraday opportunities in stock options. And in the monthly positional, it is every month it is going to update it. And for the month of May, it is going to update it on 30th of April only. So not on the expiry date. Okay. So based on the equity closing price on monthly basis, it is happening on the last day of the month. So we are going to update that sheet on a last day of the month, but currently it is around 28th April. So that monthly sheet is going to update it on 30th of the month. So whatever the prices which is showing you, so it is not a right one at this moment. Okay. So if you are doing with our monthly positional sheet, so you can just wait up to month of May, that can be updated on 30th of the month. I think 1st of May should be a holiday. So you will be getting that sheet is updated on first, before first, maybe on the first of the day. So second on March, second on May onwards, we are going to start our monthly positional. So before that, whatever the data which is showing you, it is not a right one. So simply ignore if you are following our monthly sheets. So last month almost 34 stocks in a call side, almost 11 stocks in a put side that triggered our targeted based on our advanced option strategy concept, whether it is naked or it may be a aged one. So whatever the thing which we are used, that can be triggered our target, and this is what a result which is happening on last month. And weekly positional, and last week is an expiry on 24th, sorry 25th. So 26th, where we used only one day for a trading. So we find some opportunities in put and call, but it is for an intraday purpose only, because only one day, and every Friday we are going to close that week and we have to start on Monday. So as of now, so I'm just going to update the next week data also, but here some of this stocks which is given you in downside. So maybe Tata Motor W1 10 put option. So let me check Tata Motor. What is happening on Tata Motor 1110 put option? Let me check whether I think it is not a liquid yet. If you are seeing 30th May contract, so 103 is the closing price. Maybe some gap down or adjustment. So that is happening around 103, but it was not traded well. So if you are looking at from 26th April, it's full of dash, so it is not traded. Okay, so simply it is a not an active. So Bajaj Finance 7300, Bajaj Finance 7300 put option, maybe it is liquid. Yeah, so here in the first candle it is triggers almost 200 and 458, our breakout point 446. Okay, that's an opportunity based on our weekly positional, but it is the last day, we are not considering that for a weekly positional. Maybe intraday purpose from 480 and it went up to nearby 600. Anyone who tried for this, that was giving you such a good result. Some of the stocks like Coromandel and Concor, which triggers on a call set. So that is what a thing which we are seen on this week. And now I'm going to update you for the month of first week of May, and weekly sheet as well as intraday sheet we are going to update it, and monthly sheet still remaining same. And based on our advanced option strategy concept, we are going to look for a monthly IV sheet also, that is also going to update it on first of the month only, so not today. Okay, so that you should remember. So based on our concept, the weekly and monthly sheets are working. And positional, intraday, both are weekly and monthly are positional, and intraday sheet is purely an intraday and it is works based on the Cambrilla R4 breakout. So now I am just refreshing the sheet and you will be finding a newer opportunity for tomorrow. Okay, so whatever the strike prices which you are looking for and what should be the entry, everything will be updated here in this sheet. So now it is updated. So let me wait what is going to show on here at the data. Okay. Yeah. So now the stocks which is nearing, and Tata Motor you can see 1100 at almost 149. Maybe that was not a liquid. Tata Motors 1100 put option. It was showing you almost 97. It is not a liquid. So yesterday also it was not a very well traded. Okay, it is not liquid. You simply ignored it. Okay, so remaining nearby LTTS, in this case Biocon and Syngene may be also liquid. So we don't have any stock which is triggered before our entry point. Okay, so here only the stock which is already above to our entry point. So maybe due to the liquidity issue. So simply ignore that one right now. Okay, and monthly positional still remaining same and the strike prices is different, and simply ignore up to 30th of the month. So we will be starting from 2nd of May, because 1st of May is holiday, right? So an intraday also updated, and some of the stocks we are showing you more than our entry point or equal to our entry point, that was not a liquid one. So even you can see Tata Motors also not a liquid, LTTS, UBL, JK Cement, and these are all the stocks are not liquid. But simply you can ignore this kind of illiquid stocks. After 9:30, if you are looking at our sheet, you will be finding a fresh breakout for your intraday trade. And now our sheet is updated for weekly as well as monthly. This will filter out your option stocks directly. So whatever the stock options, if you are looking for an buying opportunity, that you can easily find out with our Google sheet. It's an option scanner for your intraday and positional. And you know well, positional works based on the positional strategy course, and intraday it's Camarilla R4 breakout. So if you are looking intraday after 9:30, you can just check it out. So now we are updated for that next week as well as intraday. Monthly is going to be updated on Tuesday evening or Wednesday morning. So that would be for a monthly positional. Monthly positional which is going to updated on one monthly once on the last day of the month. I hope you understood and you know well how to use it and how it is works. Thank you for watching, and if you want to access the Google Sheet and get more detail about this paid version of the Google Sheet, is the here WhatsApp number you can mention in this video. You can contact me, and thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, and if you like this video, hit your like button. Thank you so much.